Students will start with the functions of leaf. Earlier we read about the structure of the leaf, then type of leaf, then simple and compound leaf, and types of venation. Now on page number 10, we have functions of leaf. So here we have got three functions: photosynthesis, transpiration and respiration. जो पत्ते होते हैं वो क्या काम करते हैं? So basically we'll start with the photosynthesis. How does, we all know that plants germinates and it grows into a full plant. How does it happen? बढ़ता है, ग्रो करता है, इतनी हाइट लेता है. हाउ डज इट हैपन? सेल्स दे डिवाइड. हाउ डज द सेल दे डिवाइड? फ्रॉम वेयर डज दे गेट द फूड? From the photosynthesis. Now what happens? All the leaves, they have a pigment called the chlorophyll. We have got different colors chlorophyll, but we'll talk about green color pigment chlorophyll here. Now this chlorophyll, it traps the energy from the sunlight, and in the presence of sunlight, water which is drawn from the root, जो roots पानी लेके ऊपर तक आते हैं उसकी presence में sunlight, and then CO2 which is absorbed by the leaf. Now together sunlight, water and CO2, they make food. So a plant, with the help of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight and these chlorophyll green pigments, they trap the energy of the sunlight, and plus CO2, they prepare the food, and the food prepared is in the form of glucose. So, and later on it is converted into the starch. So if the question comes in the form of Phillips, that plants, they prepare food dash glucose and is converted into starch. Please pay attention. It is converted or stored in the form of starch, but it is prepared in the form of glucose. Transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water from the plant in the form of water vapor. So because of the sunlight, the leaves, they lose water, the excess water from it, and it cools the body during the summers. Just as the human body, we also sweat, हमारा भी पसीना निकलता है. Similarly, plants also, they lose water in summers, and that is called transpiration. And now what happens when transpiration occurs? जब पेड़ पौधे सनलाइट की वजह से पानी को वेपराइज कर देते हैं, जब प्लांट लूज करता है पानी, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? इट कॉजेज अ सक्शन फोर्स. दैट इज दैट transpiration, it gives an indication to the plant that it has less volume of water in its body, in the plant. Then what happens? It sucks the water from the ground and it helps in pulling the water upward. जब वो मूवमेंट सक्शन होती है, सक्शन मतलब खींचना, जैसे हमारे घरों में हम लोग मोटर लगाते हैं जो ज़मीन से पानी को बाहर लेके आते हैं. समथिंग सिमिलरली, हम जब प्लांट की बॉडी में ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है just because of the sunlight and it loses some water, then what happens? The plants give the indication that it requires water, और वो जो एनर्जी और जो वो मैकेनिज्म जो पानी फोर्स करता है ऊपर पेड़ तक आने के लिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सक्शन फोर्सेस. Later on in class 8 and senior classes, you will read about other mechanisms too which helps in the movement of water from the ground to the rest of the plant. Right now, transpiration is basically the loss of excess water in the form of water vapor. Now third function of leaf is respiration. Just like humans, we respire, plants also respire. During night, there is no photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occur only during daytime when we have sunlight. For photosynthesis, sunlight is mandatory. बिना sunlight के photosynthesis मतलब खाना बनना पेड़ पौधों के लिए is impossible. So at night there is no photosynthesis. So there is the leaves, they do not breathe in oxygen. So here we have at night what happens. We'll start with during daytime first. Now what happens during daytime? CO2 is absorbed and oxygen is released. Now what happens? Just not CO2 is absorbed. Along with CO2, oxygen is also absorbed by the plant, but in a very minimal amount. So during daytime, the plant itself is making oxygen. So some of the oxygen which is made by the leaves is utilized in the plant itself. But what happens during night time? The CO2 is not absorbed, no oxygen is released. So and in the body of the plant there is no oxygen because it is not making there is no photosynthesis process, so no new oxygen is released. So it takes oxygen from the environment and it breathes out the carbon dioxide. So the process during daytime and nighttime is opposite. During daytime, CO2 is absorbed and oxygen is released, and at night, oxygen is breathed in by the plant and CO2 is released. Page number 11, modifications of leaf. Now here the leaves, they modify themselves according to the temperature of the place where they are growing. Suppose a desert plant, it has spines. Why? Have you ever wondered why do they have spines? We see the creepers, we see climbers. Creeper होते जो ज़मीन के साथ वाले पेड़ होते हैं, जैसे आपके watermelon, musk melon. And climbers are like sweet pea जो एक पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ते हैं, which next to the wall they climb. That is why we call them as climbers. So have you ever wondered why? Because of the environmental conditions, the weather conditions, the leaves over a period of time, they have modified, they have changed themselves accordingly, so to sustain. Over a period of time you must have heard सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट? जो सिचुएशन और कंडीशंस के साथ जो अपने आप को चेंज कर ले वही जिंदा रहेगा. सिमिलरली द प्लांट्स मे ग्रो एनीवेयर, अ सीड मे जर्मिनेट एनीवेयर, बट to grow it need to modify itself to that particular weather condition. So here we will talk about few plants where the leaves they have modified themselves according to their requirement. Leaf tendril or for support. कुछ पेड़ पौधों में क्या होता है, उनकी लीव्स अपने आप को मॉडिफाई कर लेती हैं, एक ना सर्कुलर टेंड्रिल बना लेते हैं. दैट इज टू बाइंड इट अपने आप को, सो दैट कोई भी उसके आसपास कोई चीज़ होती है तो वो उसको सर्कल उसको पकड़ लेता है और उसको क्लाइम और बाकी के स्टेम को ऊपर बढ़ने में हेल्प करता है. सो हियर लीफ टेंड्रिल फॉर सपोर्ट, दे आर द थिन वायर लाइक कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड दे आर कॉल्ड द लीफ टेंड्रिल्स. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? They give support to the plant, and the examples are sweet pea. Now in the modifications of leaf, the questions which may come, they usually come in the form of functions. Give the example of leaf tendril and write its function. So function is to support the plant, and example is this one. Next one is spines. Spines, basically we have seen cactus. Cactus is one of the easiest one. So cactus, what happens? Cacti is plural and cactus is singular. So the leaves of the cactus, they are modified into the spines, and what is the functions? Basically to avoid the loss of the water, and then it protects from the grazing animals. जब animals उनको खाने के लिए आते हैं तो उनके चुप जाते हैं तो वो उनको अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट भी करते हैं. So they have two functions here. One is to avoid the loss of water, and then another one is to protect the plants from the. We'll put a stop here. Next points will be taken up in the next video.